Lake living at its best in Bemus Point. This 3-bedroom 4-bath home offers open floor plan with French doors that lead to a wraparound maintenance-free deck. Spacious living room with gas fireplace, family room west/wet bar ideal for entertaining or just hanging out. Kitchen offers stainless steel appliances including ice maker. Once outside you'll enjoy the high-end stone patio with fire pit feature in Lampus Landscape magazine, which includes top-of-the-line Primo Prolly boat dock system. Attached are many upgrades and improvements this property has to offer.